myself Professor Rajeshri Masreddy with you for a presentation of alligation method which is used in pharmaceutical calculation. Alligation method is a easy arithmetical method used to calculate quantities of two different strength solutions having the same active ingredient to prepare a product of intermediate strength. So this is a very by using alligation method we can determine the number of parts of the strength of two different products with different strength. For example, here if you take, this is A of 20% alcohol and B is of 60% alcohol. So how many parts of 20% and 60% alcohol are required to be combined to give a product of 40% alcohol? So the required strength of solution we need to prepare is 40% alcohol using 20% alcohol and 60% alcohol. So once we get to know the parts required, we can calculate the exact quantities of the products that would be required to be combined to give a solution of the respective strength. So here in this method is used to determine the quantity of a diluent that is required to prepare a strength of lower concentration, or the quantity of active pharmaceutical ingredient required to increase a product with a from lower to higher concentration, or it is also used to calculate the quantities of higher and lower strength of products containing same ingredient to be used to prepare a product of intermediate strength. So for this we use the alligation grid that is called as. So this is the alligation grid we say. So this is the value of higher strength, this is value of lower strength, and here it is the value of desired strength. So this is called as the alligation grid. So we can substitute the values in this grid. For example, now we take a problem here, that is prepare 120 grams of 2% hydrocortisone ointment using 1% ointment and 2% ointment. So here what are the given data? So you are required to prepare 120 grams of 2% hydrocortisone using 1% and 2.5% ointment. So here we will substitute this data into this alligation grid. The higher strength is 2.5%. The value of lower strength is 1% hydrocortisone ointment. What is the desired strength? Desired strength is 2%. Okay. So you have 2.5% which is the higher strength, 1% which is the lower strength, and the desired strength of the product that you need to prepare is 2% using these two strengths. So the method is you substitute as directed by the arrow. Higher strength minus that of the lower strength. So it is 2.5 minus 2, which is 0.5. So this is 0.5 parts. This indicates the parts. 0.5 parts of lower strength. Vice versa, 2 minus 1, that is 1 part of higher strength. So if you mix 1 part of higher strength and 0.5 parts of lower strength, you will get a preparation of 2%. So this is with respect to the parts to prepare the desired strength. Now coming to how much exact quantity you would have to weigh of these products to prepare 120 grams. So here you know that, now here you look into it is 1 and 0.5, total is 1.5. So in 1.5 part, 1.5 grams of the preparation, you have 1 gram of 2.5% strength of hydrocortisone and 0.5 parts of the 1% ointment. Now that we have determined the number of parts needed of each product and the total number of parts that is used to calculate, so it is 1 divided by 1.5. Now how much you want? Multiply it with the quantity that you got to prepare. So it is 120 divided by 1.5, which is 80 grams of 2.5% ointment. For lower strength, it is 0.5 divided by 1.5 into quantity required 120 grams, which is nothing but 40 grams of 1% ointment. So if you add 80 plus 40, it is nothing but 120 grams of. So if you mix 80 grams of 2% ointment and 40 grams of 1% ointment, you will get 120 grams of 2% ointment. So this is how the alligation method can be used to calculate the quantities required of product with different strength to prepare the desired strength.